My name's Paul Jason and I'm the Motorcycle Broker, and we have for you a very rare homologation special from Honda for sale on our website. It's a Honda VF1000R with gear-driven cams from 1984. It was actually registered in 86, but it's an 84 model.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Wake up in the morning with a vision in my head. Look downtown on the river, boys.
The Honda VF1000R, along with the RC30 and the CB1100R, were all hand-built in Honda's HRC racing department. They had really high-quality racing fiberglass for the bodywork, and the gear-driven cams. They were very expensive to produce. They were really high-quality motorcycles. They were very expensive at the time, and we wrote an article on blogs on our website, and you'll see, if you look for rare Japanese classic motorcycle find, back in 2020 we highlighted what good value the CB1100R was. Since then the prices have gone meteoric and they've really increased in value. We all know that the RC30 prices are meteoric, and we believe that the VF1000R is the next one to kick off. It's about the only one left that hasn't, and it's because not many people know about these bikes and there are very few of them left. But its place in history is vital. Without the VF1000R you wouldn't have the RC30, you wouldn't have the RC45. And the CB1100Rs, they're becoming very expensive now. You may have noticed here Ron Haslam's championship winning CB1100R we sourced for a customer back in 2018. The VF1000R is definitely the one that's next in line, and the cost of restoration is far greater than the value of the motorcycles at the moment. So we believe this is a really great classic motorcycle investment for you. We restored this example 2 years ago and it hasn't turned the wheel since. We will give it a service and set it up correctly, but we had already done that prior to delivery. The frame has been repainted. You won't find any powder coat on any of our motorcycles. Modern paints struggle to recreate the original colours, but we have matched them perfectly to the original paintwork. Modern paint always lies flat, so it's almost impossible to get an orange peel effect that you used to get in the 1980s from their paints back then. But we've recreated that, and the level of shine is exactly the same as the 1980s paint. Our restorations are so authentic that they were recognised at the Concours d'Elegance show at Blenheim Palace at Salon Privé in 2021, when we won Most Exceptional Motorcycle with our 1975 MV Agusta 750 Sport. That's the Honda VF1000R with gear-driven cams, restored by us with a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty, a full due diligence file and a workshop file giving photographs of every step of the restoration undertaken by us. If you're interested in the motorcycle, click the link below this video and give us a call at the Motorcycle Broker. My name's Paul Jason and I'm the Motorcycle Broker.